Hello, it is so nice to see you. I haven't done videos in a very long time, but as my fellow Austrian countryman Arnold Schwarzenegger would say, I'll be back on a regular basis. I'm really here to serve you and to bring you cool and innovative ideas that you can apply on a daily basis. My videos will only be 1 minute long because I know these days everybody has a short attention span. While these videos can benefit anyone, they are really targeted for the people in the manufacturing industry. If this has piqued your interest, I encourage you to follow me and to follow my videos. I see you again very soon.